If you're an Amazon influencer, Viral Vue gives you powerful tools to grow. But which plan is right for you? Let's compare free, starter, and professional plan so you can choose the perfect fit. Starting with free, you get the Chrome extension overlay, viral score, brand deal tracker, storefront optimizer, and carousel insights. This is all about learning the ropes while spending nothing. Ready to take things up a notch? The starter plan at $33 a month adds product discovery with product view, sales estimates, the order history scanner, and competitor spying with storefront scanner. TikTok creators also benefit from tools like order matching and an ads code manager. It's the sweet spot for influencers actively creating content. For full-time or scaling influencers, the professional plan at $66 a month delivers automation. You'll unlock creator connection campaign tools, advanced product research, premium video tracking, and TikTok product tracking. This plan saves you time and helps maximize revenue. So ask yourself, do you need to start, grow, or scale? Viral View has a plan for each stage. Check the link in my description, sign up today, and get the exact tools that match where you're at in your influencer journey.